channel. I am K. Baburam. Today I will show you the best roasted bell pepper salsa. I have all the ingredients here. This is fresh tomato. Later on I will put it in the Robocop. Then I will make some. Then I will reduce the juice. And this is capsicum. I already seasoned with salt, pepper, olive oil. Later on I will put it in the grill for the smoke. And this is chunk tomato, lemon juice, tomato juice, and coriander leaf, green chilli, salt, pepper. Now this is the time to roast my bell pepper. If you are working in the grill or deep fry, gloves is not necessary because bell pepper already roasted one side, so I turn it. I will not fully grill. I will just give the smoke flavor. Then I will put it in the grill. Then I will transfer to oven for the roasting. Grill color capsicum is ready. This is the time to put inside the oven. I will not full cook. I will just roast. One temperature will be 180 and time will be 7 to 8 minutes. Then when capsicum will be roast, I will put it in the ice water. I will remove all the skin. Then I will chop. Roasted and smoky capsicum is ready. I will put it in the ice water. Reason of keeping in the ice water, it will cold little bit faster and the color will be same color. Color will not change. If I will not put it in the cold water, color become change. They will not green, not yellow, not. So this is the reason of keeping in the ice. Later on, I will remove all the skin, all the roasted skin. Then I will chop. Then I will add my salsa. Now I am going to mix my salsa. This capsicum I roasted before and I remove the seed, then I chop it nicely. This is green, this is red and this is yellow. We keep it in the ice water. That's why our capsicum is colorful. Color didn't change. And this is tomatoes, chunk tomato, and this is fresh tomato. We make it some. And I have here coriander, onion and green chili because salsa always little bit spicy. We need to give little bit kick. Meaning of kick, it's little bit spicy and little bit sourness. When we will have something little bit spicy, we need to feel something. So now I will mix my salsa. I will start with chunk tomato. Then I will add here fresh chunk tomato and green chili because I want to make my salsa a little bit spicy. Onion chop, and coriander. And I have your fresh tomato juice. It will give nice color also and little bit liquidy consistency. And lemon juice. This is ready to mix. Now I will add little bit seasoning, just little bit of black pepper and salt. Salt always taste, but we must check our seasoning before we finish our salsa. Now I have little bit more coriander here. First I will mix. If this is not enough, then I will add some more. This salsa we can make without capsicum also, roasted capsicum. But I prefer to add roasted salsa because it will give nice flavor also. But actually, in the tomato salsa, most of the chefs and hotel restaurant they are not adding bell pepper or as well we can say capsicum. We can make our tomato salsa with just tomatoes, onion, green chili, coriander, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and little bit of tomato juice. Before I finish or transfer my salsa, I want to check seasoning. This is little bit tight. You can see this is little bit soft, but I keep it here lot of onion, coriander, and tomatoes, and I add a seasoning. After 1 hour, all the onion it will leave the water. Then my salsa become liquidy and little bit juicy. Wow, this is very awesome, awesome. This salsa we can serve with mostly with nachos, fajitas, chimichanga, burritos, mostly with Mexican dish. My salsa is ready to serve. Now I will put it in the bowl and I will show you just simple presentation. My roasted bell pepper salsa. When we finish, that time we can add little bit of garlic oil just for the super flavor. But at the moment I will add just little bit of oil just for the shining. And as you can see, the salsa already liquid. Before it was little bit tight, but now this is liquidy, and this salsa ready to serve. If you like my recipe and videos, please do subscribe, like, and share. Your subscribe, like, and comment will be motivate, and it will encourage me for the more videos. And wherever you are, stay safe, healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.